Okay, everyone, never ever flip the light switch in somebody else's house, and especially in a public building, unless you have permission to do so. So, never ever in somebody else's house and in a public building do this. If you do that, you will be kicked out of the party people are hosting in their house, and you will never be invited back to their house ever again. And if it's done in a public building, you will be kicked out of that building, and you will never be allowed to come back to that building ever again. Now, if this is your own house, you can, but if this is somebody else's house, and especially a public building, do not, for any reason, unless you have permission to do so. Bye.